can't really remember what happened, but I just know it was giving me problems, so I just opted out of registering. But I will register for the next voting session. And I'm excited to do so because I feel like everybody's voice has a say.
System grand, sharp, and ayikho nzima, ayimoshi isikhathi. So kubalekile for yonke youth yamanje, yabo, for encourage ne youth ezayo emva kwethu ukuthi iqhubeke because lokhu kungasiza ne future yethu.
Ikomishana eyimele yokhetho yaseNingizimu Afrika yethule ngokusemthethweni umkhankaso wayo kazwelonke ngokuxhumana nokhetho lohulumeni kwabasekhaya lwangolwezi Mbukeli 2026 under the slogan Get Up, Show Up, Vote. To encourage active voter participation, outline the Commission's readiness for the upcoming elections and counter growing voter apathy. Welcome to the show. Igama lami ngingubongiwe uMakhumalo kwaKwaZwane. Mbukeli, I'm excited to tell you that I'm not alone. My co-host Seba Buthelezi joins me. Sawubona Seb, are you registered to vote?
Definitely, Bongiwe. Not only registered, but I'm going to make sure that I vote where I'm registered. Ilungelo lami Bongiwe kanti futhi ngiyazi ukuthi uex wami uzoletha ushintsho uma ngivota. So kubalekile ukuthi njengentsha siphume ngobuningi bethu sihambe siyovota. Youth voter apathy is the single largest challenge facing the Electoral Commission of South Africa ahead of the 2026 local government elections. Despite young people making up a massive segment of the country's population, historical trends and IEC data reveal that only 20 to 25% of eligible citizens aged between 18 to 24 actively participate in elections. Sinibingelele sinamukelo hlelweni namuhla babukeli igama lami Sebe Buthelezi uMashenge.
Mbukeli khumbula ke ukuthi ungaba ingxenye lolu hlelo shayela ucingo sizwe umbono noma umbuzo wakho inombolo zethu 011-714-0677 noma 0678. Setholakala ke futhi Mbukeli kumakhasi ethu okuxhumana khumbula ku SABC izindaba uX ke loyo kanti ku Facebook ke Mbukeli khasi lethu SABC izindaba ukuze kube lula qala ngo #asikhulume #SABC News bese ke ubhala umbuzo noma umbono wakho asikhulume.
Ngaphambi kokuthi singene odabeni lwanamuhla, ake sibuke lo mbiko wentatheli yohlelo uVuyokazi Kafile lapho bekhuluma khona nentsha ngokubaleka kokuvota, ukuyimbandakanya kwezepolitiki nokuphatha izwe.
I think as a young person in South Africa, we can't ignore what's happening to South Africa at this moment. It's a movie, literally. We say it as a joke, but you wake up every day and there's something that astonishes you that's not taken as urgently as it should be. Recently, the unemployment stats were released. If you're a youth and you saw that, you should be worried of how many of our peers are unemployed and how many of them continue being unemployed. So it calls for, I think, the young people to stand up once again as they've done before in the country and just take initiative, and this time to practicing our democratic power.
So as a young person, right, I think most of the economical issues that we are facing currently are addressed or more directed to young people. Look at the unemployment rate. So I think it is for us now, young people, as a young person, to change that, to register to vote, because we are the future generation. We will be here tomorrow when our grannies are no more. So I think that's why I'm so interested to be part of the change.
Not voting does not help your situation. The reason we do vote in this country is so that there can be a change. So whether or not you complain at home and say you're not going to vote and just sit there and be miserable, it really is not going to make a difference. What can make a difference is you voting and you having your say.
As a youth, I think since I'm aware of the fact that we can actually implement change, I think one thing that is most importantly that I could do is perhaps be the one to start the non-government organizations to radicalize the youth and teach them that we can implement change, we can take control of our future and not let someone else determine our future.
Yes, I am going to be voting this year. The reason is because I just turned 18 last year, December, so I feel like I have a chance to fix my economy by casting my vote.
Sibonge kwintatheli yohlelo uVuyokazi Kafile, asamukele ihambeli zethu uHlengiwe Dlamini oyi-Assistant Manager Outreach kwiKhomishana yezokhetho i-Independent Electoral Commission esifundeni iKwaZulu-Natal no-Dr. Sanele Gamede, Youth Life and Career Consultant. Sinibingelele sinamukelo ohlelweni. Mhlambe siqale ngawe Dr. Gamede, as someone who interacts with the youth on a daily basis, how are you playing a part in encouraging them to go out and vote?
Thank you so much, and thank you for having me. I think it's quite interesting to hear them indicate how important it is to vote. My encouragement to every young person when I engage with them, since I engage with them almost on a daily basis, is taking accountability and leading from within and making sure that before you go and vote, because it sounds like when you go and vote, you are placing a responsibility of how this country should be governed to someone else. So my conversation with them is more of, it's not just about the vote, it's about you following up on the vote and making sure that awuyoti hamba uyosimela lapha emkhandlwini and lead and bring change. You are the change as a young person. So that's the conversation that I have with them.
All right, Sislengiwe, mhlambe if we can bring you into this conversation, ngoba abantu abasha kwesinye isikhathi bathi bona mhlambe abazazi insuku. Asiqale nje ngokuthi umbukelo sibukile namhlanje, when is the registration and bathola kanjani ulwazi lokuthi umuntu ekwazi ukuthi angene whether inkundleni zokuxhumana efike IEC office ezokwazi ukuthi aregister ukuvota?
Sibongiwe njengoba usushilo sineyinsuku ke ezimbili iweekend umhla ka20 nomhla ka21 June ezibekela ukuthi zonke izakhamuzi zaseNingizimu Afrika zithola ithuba lokuthi zivakashele izikhungo zethu zokuvota ezizobe ivuliwe izwe lonke kusuka ngo8 ekseni uyoshaya u5 ntambama ukuze itholeke ithuba lokwenza izinto ezahlukeneyo kulabo abaqalayo ukubhalisela ukuvota kanjalo nalabo abawe befisa nje ukohlola bebheka imininingwane yabo bese ke makunesidingo bekwazi ukuthi bashintshe imininingwane okufanele bayishintshe. Ngakho ke uIEC uyatholakala kuzo zonke izinkundla zokuxhumana kakhulukazi kubantu abasha onke nje ama social media platforms official kaIEC siyatholakala futhi ke abantu abasha sebekwazi nokuthi bangene basithole na ku WhatsApp chatbot la bezosithola khona bathole nemininingwane eyahlukeneyo kanjalo futhi siyabahambela naseyindaweni nje zonke la betholakala khona njengabantu abasha lapho sisuke sixhumana sixoxisana nabo njengoba kadesho ubutsanele ukuthi bayabakhuthaza nathi ke sibambe iqhaza ekubakhuthazeni nje ukuthi baphume bavakashele izikhungo zethu zokuvota ngo2021 June 2026.
Enhlengiwe njengoba usho ukuthi niyazama ukuthi nitholakale na ku WhatsApp abantu abasha banendlela ezahlukene ukuthi bathole lolu lwazi. Isikhathi esiningi mangabubuka ikhalazo bakhala ngokuthi kukhulunywa ngabo kodwa akukhulunywa nabo. So mangabe sibuka le campaign le ihluke ngani bazozizwa kanjani bona izwi labo libalekile?
Kubalekile ke kubantu abasha ukuthi kulesi sikhathi njengoba desho nje umfowethu ukuthi izwe labo isikhathi sabo lesi ngiye ngithi ke mabeyibuka bengabaholi bakusasa noma beyisizulwane kusasa kufanele sikushintshe lokho bayibone beyiningizimu Afrika yamanje lokho ke kuzobenza ukuthi balandele lesi siqubulo sethu esithi get up manje sukuma njengamanje uthathe ithuba lokuthi uparticipate njengamanje unikele ezikhungweni zethu ngabe uyobhalisa noma uyovota noma kulibamba iqhaza njengoba desho nje umfowethu ukuthi noma ngabe sebevotile abantu abasha ukuze lezi zinto abayibalayo okungamathuba omsebenzi ezomnotho in general nazo ziyadinga phela ukuthi mase sivotile njengazakhamuzi silandelele kulabo esesibanika ithuba lokuthi bayosimela beyosikhulumela ukuthi asilandelele sihambisane nabo u5 years esibabeke office ukuze lezi zinto ezizidingo zethu esikhala ngazo noma esiyibona manje sazi ukuthi sihambisana nabo ku5 years ukuze bekwazi kuphela ukuthi bahlangabezane nalokho esikulindele njengabantu abasha kakhulukazi.
Dr. Gamede size kuwena ngoba ngiyabona njengoba futhi usebekhuluma ukuthi abantu abasha isikhathi esiningi bathi abalalelwa abazizwa belaleleka. bayanizwa mangabe nikhuluma nabo nibatshela ukuthi ukubaluleka kwevoti labo kukhulu kangakanani eNingizimu Afrika kanti futhi nokuthi ba-participate, be part, babe yingxenye yalaba democratic processes. Bayanizwa noma mhlambe bakushaya indiva konke nikushoyo?
Sisibongiwe, I don't want to lie. Abantu abasha bayizwa le conversation and they are up for it. One of the things I think uDadewethu that pointed out ukuthi they feel like ungathi kukhulunywa ngabo akukhulunywa nabo. They feel like lento yokuthi babe involved is an abstract. It's not in reality. Le ukuthi they are the future of this country. It doesn't sit well with them, especially when it's not a matter of ukuthi you are the future, so therefore funda ibalange emva and learn how the country is being run. Once kwadlula lo khetho lolu kuphelile ngabantu abasha, kuphelile ngama issues abo, it's like seku-achieve. So I think there is a need for a better strategy around ukufundiswa kwabantu abasha about ukurana kwezwe, especially because now we have easy access to information, even in different rural communities. Young people can access information. I think it's high time that we don't teach young people about why they should be voting. We teach them about how to govern the country. Why do we have a premier? What is a premier? Because all young people know is ngomhla ka-20 kuya ngomhla ka-21 kumele bayobhalisela ukuvota, emva kwalokho bavote ngeyi-4 kuthi yini ke le ebesizowenzeka emva kwalokho, ubani oyimeya, uyimeya makwenze njani, ukhishwa nini makwenze njani, ibesibekwa kusopolitiki yasuswa from the community that feels what is happening.
All right, Sebe, siyayitolo.
Ake sithi shelele itolo mbukeli, siyabuya khona manje nehambeli zethu, sikhumbuze mbukeli ukuthi sikhona ku YouTube kanye ne SABC Plus. Sikubingelele sikwamukele futhi ohlelweni mbukeli, kanti uma ngabe uqeda ukuhlanganyela nathi sikhuluma nentsha ngokubaluleka kokuyimbandakanya okhethweni kwepolitiki kanye nasekuphatheni kwezwe. Ake sikhulume no-Alutha Goniwe from eGoli osecingweni. Sawubona Alutha, siyakwamukela ohlelweni. Ngabe uthini umbuzo noma umbono wakho?
Thank you so much for the opportunity. Speak about voter empathy.
Alutha, are you still with us?
Yes.
Yeah, please repeat your question or your opinion.
Hello?
Hi, yes, Alutha, we can hear you. Please repeat your question or your opinion.
Yes, I'm just going to share my opinion. That's fine.
That's okay.
All right. Thank you for the opportunity. So as I'm saying, when we speak about voter empathy, I think the technology towards higher youth unemployment, rising costs, and corruption. And over time, that has affected our trust in our institutions. I think people themselves, why should we vote if our circumstances remain the same? And I'd like to offer some encouragement to our youth. As understandable as our frustration may be, I don't think is the answer here. When I think about the youth of 1976, those are young people who refused to accept that their voices didn't matter, and they stood for the future that they wanted to see. So I think that's something we should draw strength from as the present day youth of South Africa. Because if we do not participate, I feel like decisions about our future will depend on other people. And as much as voting won't solve all our problems overnight, I believe it remains one of the most important tools we can use.
Thank you, Elena. Thank you, Aluta. We will please continue watching, and we will continue to discuss your concerns with our guest, Dr. Kameto Yamuzu. Aluta complain ukuthi corruption is making the youth despondent, but she compares it to the youth of 1976 who stood up and fought. So how are you then incorporating that with the young ones that you are interacting with in terms of the cause that they can fight for in 2026?
I was encouraged by the fact that she can relate, and it becomes a pity when young people have nothing to relate to, which is one of the reasons why the history is very important. But she is pointing something that is very correct. Ukuthi kwesinye isikhathi abantu abasha bafeel ungathi i-pointless lento siyenzayo, and I was also encouraged by ukuthi it's not an answer ukuhlala ekhaya singayi kovota. Ukuvota ngicabanga ukuthi as a country noma mhlambe kusazothatha isikhashana ukuthi ukuvota is not ukuthi ngiyela so that kuzophuma amanzi empompini. Ukuvota is a responsibility so that the country can be governable. Kunabantu abazoshaya imithetho, abantu abazophasisa imithetho, izwe libuswe nayo kube ne-service delivery and all of that. But uma sisacabanga ukuthi uzothi mawuvotile mhla ka-4 November bese ngakusasa sekuphuma amanzi, I think ila ngithi khona we need a little bit of education, and I think politicians, speaking to them directly, I think they need to start understanding ukuthi we live in a world where young people have access to information. Young people bazokuphikisa live on air, bakucorrecte mangabe kukhona into oyishoyo engahambisani noma engalona iqiniso. So there is no need ukuthi lokuwaqasha utshela abantu amanga. You just need to be upfront about these things, and this is what young people are looking for. Young people are looking for honesty around how things are happening, why things are happening the way they are. Isiphelele isikhathi sokusaba ukukhuluma amaqiniso kubantu abasha. Ngeke ngithi kulula kulesikhathi samanje ukutshela abantu abasha ukuthi into ukuthi iyenzeka kanje le ukuthi ucabanga ukuthi kuzobe sekushiswa amabhilidi ngenxa yokuthi utshela abantu abasha ukuthi why amanzi angaphuma empompini, into yakudala leyo. Ngicabanga ukuthi we need to just confront that myth ekhona with many of our politicians.
Sisihlengiwe sikubuyisa back into this conversation. Uma umuntu ebuka i-2024 media population estimates by Stats SA, kukhona that number of approximately 21 million young people. This is nearly 1/3 of the population. Kodwa mangibheka ngilalela futhi ku-IEC ngeviki ledlule when there was that launch, around 45,000 of young people registering. Umuntu angayitshela ukuthi le number incane, nami ngiyayibona kodwa incane kakhulu ngoba sabadinga abantu abaningi abasha ukuthi abasondele bezeduzane. Yini eyenza ukuthi nina ni-IEC nihluleke ukuthi nithole abantu abasha kakhulu ngoba babalulekile kakhulu, especially when it comes to their votes? Nibona, where are the challenges for you apart from what the politicians are saying? What is your own assessment telling you as the IEC are your failures?
Ngibongiwe umuntu akasho nje ukuthi ziningi inhlelo esinazo njenge-commission ezisikhiphela ezikoleni la sithagetha khona abantu abancane, intsha esema high school la sithola khona 16 years. Okunye ke sikutholayo noma siba register ema high school, kodwa futhi enye into eba i-challenge ukuthi siyafika abanye babo uthola ukuthi abakabi nama-IDs noma ngabe sebefikile eminyakeni yokuthi ngabe banawo ama-IDs. Lokho ke kungenye yama-challenges yokuthi asike sithi nje abantu abaku-16 years kuyaphezulu esikoleni bawu-200 plus, kodwa sikwazi ukurejista mhlambe noma ngabe u-60 noma u-70 or 100 wabo. Uthole ukuthi izathu ziningi lingana noma ngabe bawaphethe ngalelo langa, kodwa okunye kwabo uthola ukuthi abanawo sanhlobo. Nyeke yento esibhuqumezela kakhulu imphakathi ukuthi bakwazi ukwelekelela abantwana uma befika ku-16 years ukuthi wonke umuntu akwazi ukuthola i-ID. Noma ke sibashekelela futhi nasey'khungweni zemfundo ephakeme la siqinisekisa khona ukuthi esingamthola nge-high school asimthole phela uma efika e-tertiary. So nakhona ke siyakwazi ukubanikeza ithuba lokurejista. Saphinda ke saqhubekela naphambili la sithi-ke ngale kokuthi abeze ema-ofisi ethu noma abaye ey'khungweni zethu zokuvota, kodwa futhi abakwazi ukungena online baye ku-register to vote at elections.org.za, bakwazi ukuyibhalisa nje bona behleli emakhaya noma la bekhona. So yindlela zonke lezo esivulele ukuthi abantu abasha bekwazi ukurejista. Kodwa-ke njengoba kadesho nje ufowethu lapho e-studio ukuthi bayadinga ukukhuliswa ngoba bafani phela nentsha yakudala mhlambe ne-political climate yangaleso sikhathi yayikhuthaza nje ukuthi wonke umuntu ufuna ukuthola lethuba elingayizivela lokuthi naye abambe iqhaza okhethweni. Ngakho-ke siyaqhubeka ley'nhlelo zonke zokuthi sibashekelele kuzo zonke indawo. Njengoba usho nje South Africa siyibuka njengezwe elinabantu abaningi kakhulu abasha. Ngakho-ke futhi bona kufanele bebhalise in-numbers, bekwazi futhi nokuparticipate in-numbers. Njengoba de bekhuluma nje Bongiwe bathi bazoya ukuyovota. Kunjalo impela uma beke bangena nje kwi-voters roll, iy'balo zethu zithi baningi abayayo ukuvota. Ngakho-ke ukhiye nje ukuthi thina let us get them into the voters roll ngoba it's not a challenge ukuthi bavote once they register.
Siyabonga Hlengiwe, siyakuzwa ukuthi the important part here is to get them onto the voters roll. But Mbukeli ake sithi shelele ey'tolo, siyabuya ney'hambeli zethu sikukhumbuze ukuthi sikhona Mbukeli ku-YouTube ne-SABC Plus. Sesiphetha Mbukeli ake sizwe kuyihambeli zethu ukuthi yini engenziwa ukuze intsha ibone ukubaluleka kokuyimbandakanya kwezepolitiki, ubuholi bezwe nasekuvoteni. Hlengiwe, mhlambe singaqala ngawe just in 30 seconds ungaphendula uthini?
Abantu abasha siyafisa nje ukuthi baqonde ukuthi ngale ukuthi bayikusasa lelizwe, yithuba labo leli. Uma ngabe kungawukuthi balindele ukuthi kube abantu abadala abazoparticipate babathathele iy'nqumo, izwi labo liyohlala njalo lingezwakali. Ngakho-ke sithi njengoba sithi nje get up, show up and vote, sisho njalo umuntu omusha ukuthi ithuba lakho leli lisebenzise, izwi lakho lizwakale ukuze izwe liphathwe libuswe nemikhandlu ezobe ivotelwa ibuswe iphathwe ngabantu abakhethwe umuntu omusha ozorelate nabo.
Dr. Gamete, you as well, you've got 30 seconds.
Thank you so much. I think, Mina, I will go back to the idea of your vote is a responsibility so that the country can be governed and we have leadership. But it is your responsibility as a young person to have leadership from within, to make the country governable and making sure ukuthi you are a leader wherever you are. Leyo kuthumela vote, trust abantu to bring change when you are not willing to change. It's one big mistake that we find ourselves disappointed. Let us be the change that we want to see as young people.
Siyabonga kakhulu Dr. Gamete nakuwe Sihlengiwe. Thank you so much. Your first show done and dusted. How did it feel?
Great. I'm excited.
Welcome. Again, hopefully you'll be able to join us for the next episode. Asibonge kuwe ke ukuthi uhlanganyele kanye nathi nehambeli zethu. Uhlengiwe Dlamini oyi-Assistant Manager Outreach kwi-Commissioner yezokhetho i-Independent Electoral Commission kanye noDkt. Usanele Gamete, who is a lecturer in the Department of Communication and Media at the University of Johannesburg. This is where we say good night.
Good night. From me, Usebe Buthelezi, ngithi nje iyobonana ngokuzayo.